Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the Daily English Practice Podcast. I'm Mary.
And I'm John, and we're so happy you're here with us today. Thank you for listening, thank you for learning, and thank you for being part of our English family.
Yes, we love you guys. Every day you show up, you listen, you practice, and trust me, that's how you get better, one day at a time.
Absolutely. And today's topic is a big one, a very big one, a question we get all the time.
How can I speak like a native?
Oh, yes, that question comes every week, every single week.
Sometimes 10 times a week.
True. And don't worry, today we're going to answer it in a simple, friendly way that anyone can understand.
But before that, John, how's your day going?
My day? It's good, actually. It's pretty good. I woke up early today, had a big cup of coffee, did a little exercise, and now I'm here, feeling fresh.
Wow, look at you. Early morning exercise. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, thank you. What about you, Mary? How's your day?
Busy, but good. You know my favorite phrase. I woke up a little late today. I couldn't sleep last night.
Why? Thinking too much?
No, watching too many funny videos. But it's okay. I'm here now with my coffee, ready to talk about English.
And that's what matters.
So, John, you've lived in the US, right?
Yes, I lived there for several years.
And you learned how native speakers really talk. Not textbook English, not school English, not exam English, but real-life English.
Exactly. And that's what we want to help our listeners with today. Because speaking like a native doesn't mean using big words, speaking very fast, having a perfect accent.
Yes, this is so important. People think native speakers talk in long, difficult, complicated sentences.
But actually, native speakers use very simple English.
So simple. Sometimes too simple.
Okay, John, let's show an example. I'll ask you something and you answer like a native. Ready?
What did you do this morning?
Oh, nothing much. Just had breakfast and checked my phone.
See? Simple. Very simple. Your turn. What did you do this morning?
I woke up late. Then I bet coffee. That's it.
Perfect. Listeners, notice something important. We didn't say big sentences like, I consumed a delicious breakfast while reviewing important information. No, no, no.
We just said normal, easy things. This is how native speakers talk every day.
Now we will show you 1. How native speakers shorten sentences, 2. How they use small, friendly phrases, 3. How they react in conversation, 4. How they sound natural, 5. How you can practice this easily every day.
And don't worry, we're going to give many examples, so many that you can copy them, repeat them, and use them at work, at school, everywhere.
Yes, this episode is long, deep, and full of simple English.
So sit down, relax, get your coffee or tea, and let's learn together.
All right, Mary. First question for today's topic. What does it really mean to speak like a native?
Ooh, nice question. Let me answer it slowly, clearly, and in a simple way for our listeners.
To speak like a native means you speak naturally, you use simple everyday phrases, you answer quickly, you don't translate in your head, you feel relaxed when you talk.
Yes, it does not mean perfect grammar. It does not mean zero mistakes. It does not mean sounding like an American or British actor. No, no, no.
Native speakers make mistakes too, all the time.
I make mistakes every day. Everyone does.
So the goal is not perfection. The goal is confidence and natural flow.
Mary, let's do a mini conversation to show natural flow. A simple one, like something that would happen at work.
Okay, let's do it. Mini dialogue example.
Hey, Mary, how's it going?
Pretty good. A bit tired though. You?
Yeah, same. Just a busy morning.
Tell me about it. I've got so many emails.
Ugh, emails. I need a break already.
Coffee break?
Yes, please.
See? Super simple. Native speakers talk like this every day.
Short, fast, easy, friendly. And you, yes, you listening right now, you can learn this.
Many English learners try too hard. They try to speak like a textbook.
Yes, you know those sentences like, I would like to inquire about the status of the report in question.
Nobody talks like that at work.
Not one single person.
Instead, people say, "Hey, any update on the report?"
Short and easy. That's native level English.
Okay, listeners, stay with us, because in this episode, we will teach natural greetings, natural small talk, natural reactions, natural daily English, native-style shortcuts, natural ways to show emotion, how to sound relaxed, and how to practice every day.
This is going to be a long, friendly, simple, powerful lesson.
And we're here with you until the end. Now we're going to show you exactly how you can start speaking like a native speaker. Not tomorrow, not next year, but today.
Yes. And remember what we said earlier. You don't need big words, you don't need a perfect accent, and you absolutely don't need perfect grammar. Speaking like a native is all about natural flow, simple words, and confidence. Okay, John, give us an example of simple versus complicated English.
Sure. Complicated English sounds like, "I was unable to complete the project due to unforeseen circumstances." Nobody talks like that in everyday life.
Yes, that sounds like a robot. Now show the natural version.
A native speaker would say, "Sorry, I didn't finish the project. Something came up."
Perfect, simple, clear, natural. Listeners, write this down. Short sentences equal natural English. Long sentences equal difficult, unnatural English.
Native speakers use small, friendly expressions all day. Let's give some examples.
Yes, let's do it like a quick list. Ready?
Ready. Native expressions. "No worries. All good. Sounds good. Let me check. Hold on. I'm not sure. I guess so. Not really. Give me a sec. I'll be right back."
These are the real phrases native speakers use. At work, at home, everywhere.
And the more you use these expressions, the more natural you sound.
Many students think native speakers talk very fast.
They do sometimes, but speed is not important. What you need is smooth rhythm, the flow.
Yes. Good English doesn't sound like this. Hello, I am very happy. That is too slow and too broken.
But you also don't need to speak super fast. Just speak like this. "Hey, I'm really happy today." Smooth, relaxed, normal.
Native speakers react all the time with short sound words. Here are common ones. Reaction words. Oh, really? Wow. Oh, nice. That's cool. No way. Seriously? Oh, okay. I see.
These small reactions make you sound alive in conversation.
If you only answer with yes and no, you sound too formal. Add these reaction words and you sound natural.
Here is the biggest secret. Native speakers always ask one more question. Always.
Yes. When someone says, I went to the mall yesterday, a native speaker doesn't just say, okay. They ask, oh, nice. What did you buy? Cool. Did you go with someone? Was it busy?
This keeps the conversation alive and friendly.
All right, listeners, let's do a full example. John and I will talk like native speakers. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the reactions. Listen to the simple words.
Here we go.
Hey, Mary, how's your day going?
Pretty good, just a little tired. You?
Same here. Didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, why?
I don't know. Maybe too much coffee.
Oh yeah, coffee will do that. What time did you go to bed?
Like 1 a.m.
Wow, that's late. No wonder you're sleepy.
Yeah. What about you? Busy day?
Yeah, lots of emails, but it's fine.
Emails. I hate emails.
Same. Want coffee later?
Yes, please.
And that's it. Simple, right?
Very simple. And that's how native speakers talk every single day.
Another important secret. You need to copy native English.
Not study, not memorize, but copy.
Yes, listen, repeat, then use it in your own life.
You're not a student, you're a baby learning to speak again. Babies learn by copying, not studying.
To sound natural, you must stop translating everything in your head. Don't think, okay, how to say this in English. Instead, think simple thoughts in English. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I need water. Let's go.
Start small, very small. 1 or 2 sentences in your head every day.
This builds natural flow inside your mind.
If you don't have anyone to talk to yourself.
Yes, we both practice languages this way. It works.
Just describe what you're doing. I'm making tea. I'm washing dishes. I'm going to work. I'm opening the window.
You practice real English in real life.
Let me tell you something from experience. Native English speakers do not care about your mistakes. They care about your smile, your confidence, your message, your energy, not your grammar.
Yes, many of you are afraid to speak because you worry about mistakes, but mistakes are normal and natural and part of the process.
You must talk to get better. That's the rule.
This is the last tip, and maybe the most important.
Go have fun with English.
Watch funny videos, talk with friends, listen to music, copy movies, make English part of your daily life.
If English becomes your friend, not your homework, you will improve so fast. All right, Mary, let's do one last short talk to motivate our listeners.
Good idea.
You know, John, learning English is not easy.
Nope, but it's possible, and it's fun when you enjoy the journey.
Yes, and every listener here is improving step by step.
If you are listening to this podcast right now, you are already better than yesterday.
So keep going, don't stop, and speak every day.
And remember, you can speak like a native. Really, you can.
All right, everyone, this is the end of today's episode. We hope you learned something useful. We hope you feel more confident. And we hope you start speaking naturally from today.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Daily English Practice, give this video a like, leave a comment, and tell us what topic you want next.
Your support helps us create more long, friendly, easy English podcasts for you.
We love you guys. We read all your comments. We appreciate every single one of you.
And remember,
You can do it. Keep practicing your English every day.
thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode.